Hey friends, if you encounter this error with Microsoft 365 error code 70003, your organization has deleted this device on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, here's the thing. It means that you were connected to an organization's server and were using their license for your Microsoft 365 account. But now that you have separated from it, here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to apps, select installed apps and search for Microsoft Office 365 or whatever version you have. Uninstall it and uninstall it. Okay, and then uninstall it from here. Completely uninstall it. Then go to office.com and reinstall it from scratch. Okay, sign into it using your account and then reinstall it from scratch. And then use whatever license you have, because you cannot use the older company license. It is not valid anymore. You click on install apps and install it from Ab Initio. If you do not have a license, then you will have to buy a license in that case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.